Red, the color of love. Red, most vibrant color. Red represents feminine and Devi is the manifestation of vibrance. So how can we miss red this Navratri? Good morning guys, welcome to TruptWellness. Today is Tritiya, the third day of Navratri and the color is red. Yes, the color of blood and so linked strongly with life and vitality. Red represents power, courage and physical energy. That is nothing but Shakti. So it is associated with all those deities who has the capacity to destroy evil. And this is the reason why Goddess Durga is always picturized in red saree in most of her representation. Red is also symbolic of bravery and protectiveness, two of the most intrinsic traits of Shakti. The color red implies high on energy, which keeps the vibrance around Devi alive. So most of the Devi temples are painted red. Also she is worshipped with the red color flower to please the goddess. The 9 days of Navratri are dedicated to the feminine nature of the divine, and on this day of Tritiya we worship the third incarnation of Goddess Durga, that is Chandraghanta, who is also called as Chandika. Chandika is believed to be always ready for the war against demons and directs people with bravery and courage, which are symbolized by red color. Also, these qualities of bravery and courage are one of the reasons why red color is represented on national flags, achievement patches, on shields, etc. You know why we have the tradition to wear a red bindi or kumkuma on forehead? No? Here is the answer. Red signifies spiritual awakening, and the Agna chakra, which is situated between the eyebrows, is the opening to the root of spiritual awareness, intellect and wisdom. So to be in sync with these qualities, red kumkuma or bindi is put in our tradition. Now let's see what Vedas or chakra system has to say about red color. Red is the color of muladhara chakra, that is the first chakra, also called as root chakra, and is situated at the base of the spine. This chakra helps us to keep grounded, centered, independent, fully alive, committed and constant. This Muladhara chakra is associated with the organs like kidneys, adrenal glands, spinal cord, back, hip, legs, feet. In short, the area around and below the spine. Also, if your immune system is slow, then red will give a kick start. Frustration, depression, revenge, fearfulness, can't reach life goals, exhaustion, suicidal thoughts. Oh my God, if you are at peak of the negativity in your life, then this is the high time to introduce red in your world. Here, exposure to red color in any form will charge your Muladhara chakra and evoke lost confidence. It will also give you stability and security, will, desire and physical energy, stable mindset, emotional survival and bring you out from this darker phase of your life. Now, considering these huge benefits of this lovely color, let's count few tips from my side. So tip number 1. If you are heading to an interview and want to get that job done, then try to wear a red color tie or a shirt which will make you feel confident, will keep you in control and raise your energy levels. As confidence nowadays is the most needed quality to survive in this competitive world. Tip number 2. If you are starting a new business or career and want to be financially independent, make more money, then keep red close to you in any form to stabilize your mindset. Tip number 3. If you are suffering from any blood related issues like menstrual disorders, anemia, nutrition deficiency, then eat red color fruits and veggies. Let's count some of them. Cherries, strawberries, raspberries, beetroot, onion, tomatoes, guava, watermelon. All these lovely and eye-catching fruits with a good mix of salad will keep you fit and fine. Tip number 4. If you love ornaments to wear, then you can select red stones like ruby, red jasper, red garnet, moonstone, red coral. Also take these stones with the advice of experts only. Using these stone is the best and effective way to add the power of red and correct the balance of first chakra, that is muladhara chakra. So this was all about red, guys. Be grounded, be centered, be committed and be fully alive with this red. Once again, happy Navratri. Thank you.